Hi, I'm Jeremy, here to show you how to assemble your Liteboxer. Liteboxer is delivered in two separate boxes. Box A contains the first half of the base, the shield and assembly hardware. Box B contains the second half of the base, the pole and mat. Liteboxer has an assembled footprint of 37.5 inches by 55.5 inches. Designate a space for your Liteboxer which is at least 12 inches from surrounding walls or furniture. Ensure there is a power outlet within 4 feet of where you intend to set up your base. Unpack the base and remove the end caps. Slide the two parts of the base together. Install the 4 side screws using a 5mm Allen key. Install the 8 base screws and washers with a 6mm Allen key. Check that all feet are level by gently placing pressure on each side of the base. If a foot is raised above the floor, unscrew the top nut and rotate the foot until it is firmly touching the ground. Once the feet are level, use the wrench provided to secure the top nut to the base. This will lock the feet in place. Hard floor covers are available for additional grip and protection. Place the floor mat on top of the base where the cutout meets the pole. Extend the pole fully and lock it into place using the height adjustment handle. Install the set screw tightly so that the pole does not move during installation. The pole must be fully extended to install the screw. Using your finger, pull the USB cable out from the inside of the pole at both the top and bottom cutouts. Place the pole inside the mount on the base. Insert the 2 pole attachment screws using a 6mm Allen key. Place the head unit on the pole facing the base and slide it into position. Install the 2 head unit screws to keep the head unit secure. Connect the USB cable from the pole to the head unit and place excess cable inside the pole. When the cables are attached and the head unit screws are in place, loosen the screw handle and adjust the head unit to your desired height. Place your device on the tablet shelf and secure it using the bands provided. Connect the USB cable at the end of the pole to the power source provided. To power on your Liteboxer, strike any target lightly. A blue and yellow ring will appear, showing that your Liteboxer is ready to connect. Thanks for watching. If you have additional questions, please reach out to our support team at support@liteboxer.com.